This is my little computer lizard Dancer. This is the Limpho LEMX with the koi pond playing on it, see? Let's see what Dancer does with the koi pond on the watch. First he looks carefully at it. What you gonna do? You see, he licks the air to smell. He's trying to find out what are those little things. So, if it's got good enough screen resolution to fool a lizard, you think it'll work for you? Me too.
This is new technology at its finest. New screen size, 2.03 inches. New layout, removable bands, IP67 waterproof. What is it? The LEMX. Pop some bubbles on that one. The first time we've seen Android 7.1.1 that gives you all kinds of new capabilities. You've got the app drawer. You've got all of your standard information, including weather, music, and cleanup. And, like we're talking about, this fancy new type of watch faces that allow you to use live wallpaper in the background. Fitness is on board for your step count, distance traveled, calories burned, and all sorts of stuff in the stock apps that come with it. Check this out, a whole different way of displaying them, like on the Apple. Boom. Yeah. Lots of new features. 8 megapixel camera on this one, true 8 megapixel. Definitely something to check. It's called the Limpho LEMX, available right now.